Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore a tool in Google Docs that allows you to compare two different documents and see the differences between them. So let's say you're working on a document and you feel like maybe it's the same as something else you've been working on, or at least very similar, and you just want to check to see how different they are. You can go to Tools, go to Compare Documents, and then you'll have to choose your document. Once you've found it, you can search your drive, shared drives, whatever you need. Click Open. You can include comments in the comparison, you don't have to. So let's hit Compare, and then when it's done, a little window will pop up. Comparison is ready. It will now open up basically a new document that has all of the text in it, and it will illustrate what the differences are. Notice that in the source document that I compared it with, it still has the phrase spot on instead of accurate. So it will show you the differences between two documents. Kind of handy if you don't like to duplicate work, and that is a nice little tool to have.